Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by planting cotton where sunlight and water are steady. Buy a cotton seed or trade for one, then clear a 1x2 plot and amend soil with compost. Once planted, water immediately and add a balanced starter fertilizer. This jump-starts growth. Make sure to set a daily watering reminder and protect the plot from trampling. As the first leaves appear, thin to one strong stem so energy goes to fiber development rather than excess foliage. Once seedlings are established, you must manage growth actively to produce usable cotton. Water consistently, about 0.5 to 1 unit a day depending on heat, and increase during dry spells. Make sure to scout for pests every 2-3 days. Apply organic neem or introduce predators rather than broad-spectrum sprays so fiber quality stays high. Prune lower leaves and extra side shoots to concentrate nutrients into ball formation. As balls begin to swell, check support stakes and adjust shading if sunlight becomes excessive. You finish by harvesting only fully open balls where the fiber is white and fluffy. Collect gently to avoid contamination. Once picked, dry the fibers, then separate seeds using a basic gin or manual seed removal. Clean fiber yields higher quality cotton that you can spin or convert into the cotton candy item in-game. If you see mold or rot, act fast. Reduce watering, increase airflow, and remove infected balls to save the rest. Make sure storage is dry and pest-free to prevent losses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.